Saving money as a student can be challenging but rewarding. Here are some practical tips to help you manage your finances. Number one, create a budget. I'll leave these steps in the description. So, number one, create a budget. So, basically, track your income and expenses, list all sources of income, like part time jobs or allowances, and monthly expenses like rent, groceries, and bills. Now, set spending limits. Allocate specific amounts for each category to stay on track. Number two, cut unnecessary expenses. Okay, so limit eating out. Cook meals at home instead of dining out. Meal prepping can save time and money. I've been doing it for a couple of years. Money's compounding in the bank instead. Now, and I have less pimples and I'm more in shape. Now, use student discounts. Many places offer discounts for students, including restaurants, stores, and entertainment. Number three, find affordable housing. Consider roommates. Sharing an apartment or a dorm can significantly reduce rent and utility costs. Look off campus. Sometimes living off campus can be cheaper than on campus housing. Number four, use public transportation. Avoid car expenses. Use public transportation like bike or walk whenever possible to save on gas, parking, and maintenance. Number five, buy or rent used textbooks. Check online. Use sites like Chegg, CHEGG, or Amazon for cheaper used or rental textbooks. Don't forget to sell your books after the semester. So, six, limit subscriptions. Review monthly subscriptions. Cancel any services that you don't use regularly, like streaming or gym memberships. Another thing, I train at home. I got the Bowflex over here. I just have that and that's it. You see that? Can you see it? Where's my stuff? Ah, there they are. Anyway, set savings goals. Aim to save a small percentage of your income each month. Even 10% can add up over time. Number eight, look for side gigs. Work part-time, consider freelance work or part-time jobs that fit your schedule to boost your income. And by following these tips, you could save money and enjoy your time as a student without financial stress.